It literally
sounds like a bloodhound is next to me. We're here trying weird dessert combinations from the internet.
I'm worried.
Yeah, I got no idea what's coming down the pipe.
I'm a little worried that there's spit buckets to our left, but
Yeah, a little nervous.
I'll try anything once.
I used to dip my chicken nuggets in chocolate pudding, so I'll do anything.
Ready
Let's
to go?
do it.
ready.
Let's do it.
Ooh. I love chocolate ice cream. Any kind of wasabi like goes right to my brainstem and it like kills me.
You're gonna be dead.
Last time I told you I don't like wasabi and now you're trying to kill me.
How do you feel about wasabi?
I do not like wasabi.
I have to do like a little bit. I'm a wuss when it comes to spice.
Can you squeeze? Give me a little squeeze on top.
Okay.
I said a little bit. All right, dude.
It's not coming out, I can't do it. No!
Cheers.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna chase this. You okay?
It's really spicy though, yeah.
I think I'm a fan.
If it was on vanilla ice cream, I think I might like it more. All right. I like it more than the chocolate, but I don't necessarily like it.
This is the type of thing that I would definitely finish to have finished it.
Oftentimes when you're at a Japanese restaurant, they end your meal with a complimentary ice cream. Since you're eating at a Japanese restaurant, there's likely to be wasabi. And as a joke, your friend's like, dude, I dare you to put some wasabi in your ice cream. This may or may not have been a personal experience.
No.
I'm gonna go thumbs down for this
Whoa.
one. Yeah.
Churros and something salty?
Guessing that is mayonnaise.
Yes.
Churros and sour cream.
I like sour cream, and I like churros. All right, open minds.
You first.
I'm gonna get a good old dollop.
Okay,
Oh,
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back in again.
It feels a little disappointing to me. It's not what I would want out of my dip.
It's like when you put like a cream cheese like frosting on a toaster strudel.
It does.
you know what the sour cream does to the churro? It masks the oversweetness. And then it provides like a nice cold whip so that the contrast between the hot and cold is really nice.
I would 100% be into this. I got a party? That's a hard.
Oh yeah, like
all the
I
way
think
up.
I'm two
Yeah.
thumbs up.
We like approved.
Split decision.
What is it?
Is this coffee or balsamic vinegar?
I believe it's soy sauce.
Oh, soy sauce and ice cream.
You think I haven't done this?
Ew, that's a lot.
It might taste better if you pour a lot. It looks good.
I definitely prefer ice cream to soy sauce, and I don't think I'm gonna like them together.
Salt and sweet is a thing.
This could be really good.
I don't know if I'm having a stroke, but it smells good.
Cheers, Kate.
I kind of like this actually.
You like it?
It feels like I had two separate bites of two different meals.
It's like a salted caramel almost. Like
No,
kind of that vibe.
that's exactly what it tastes
Yeah.
like.
It feels like it could be blended together with like one more taste. I don't know what taste that would be though.
If you go somewhere and they put soy sauce on your ice cream, it's gonna be like $10.
It seems like an LA thing to do.
There's the salt, there's the sweet, they go together. Just maybe not this salt or this sweet.
If someone were to offer this to me again, I would definitely have to pass on it.
I would definitely accept it. Very good host.
Whoa, I'm a hard down.
I'll be here.
I'll go a little higher than you.
Wasn't bad.
No, I'm not going to be scarred.
Pairings were in the realm of like human food.
Yeah.
And I would argue that it was actually pretty good, though I think my overall dining experience was highly positive.
If we had to rank them,
For me, the churro was the best.
Yeah, churros and sour cream, #1.
Yeah.
Churros,
churros and sour cream.
See, for me, I just couldn't get over the sour cream. It kind of dug the wasabi on the chocolate ice cream.
2,
Soy
soy
sauce.
sauce and ice cream.
Soy sauce and ice cream, #2.
Vanilla ice cream with the soy sauce.
I would put the wasabi over the soy
You're
sauce.
crazy.
And then the worst, I'd say, was the wasabi chocolate ice cream.
The
Wasabi and chocolate.
Yeah.
And then I would go wasabi plus vanilla ice cream.
I would give you a 3 stars on Yelp, and I'd like to speak with the manager.